Soldering instructional video. The MX-5000 or MX-DSI is a shop air powered desoldering system and must be connected to a 90 psi air supply. Once connected, you can test the gun by pulling the trigger. It's normal for the exhaust air to discharge through the pistol grip. To change desoldering nozzles, use the supplied tip pad and simply pull the nozzle away from the front of the desoldering gun. The supplied stand allows for tip or nozzle storage. Whenever tips are removed and the power is on, the system will indicate an open error. Once you reinsert the tip, the station will automatically reset. There is no need to cycle the power as with earlier MX systems. The filter chamber is accessed by sliding the top of the gun forward and rotating it to the left. Here you'll find a replaceable flux filter and solder catcher filter. The gun can be closed by simply rotating the top back to the right until it locks in place. Power up the system and you're ready to enjoy a desoldering demonstration. If you encounter the system in power save mode, the system has shut down all power to the handpiece. You can reset the system by simply pressing the mode button and the system will return to full power. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit our website for additional information, www.metcal.com or www.okinternational.com.
For the best training, application, and productivity advantages in the industry, choose OK International Soldering Tools.